Life isn't defined by what I can't do, but it's about what I can do. And if you've got the right attitude, you can more or less do anything, I believe. It is about looking at the small things that really create something important in life. And it was at the Good Life experience where everyone was seeking the same thing, a more meaningful life. And it was just great to see people together, all joining in and getting along. It did feel like I was a part of a big family there. It's all about having the correct attitude and embrace life in a way that I never did before.